To create a harmonious street scene, the underground system from Kliko WTS has the same eco-design as the above-ground containers. The columns into which the waste must be deposited are manufactured completely from stainless steel, which makes them easy to clean. The mole system is available for all of the different types of waste flows. When depositing waste, the pass reader in the column recognizes the environmental pass and unlocks the lid, which then opens automatically. After the waste is deposited and the lid shut, the lid is bolted and the waste falls via a stainless steel lock into the container. Bolting the lid prevents a second load of waste being deposited. Kliko WTS supplies the unique hinged lid system. Only the underground collection container is lifted from the concrete pit. Therefore, there is less weight to be lifted less high, and it's possible to use a big bag or wire net container. When using DIFTA, there is no need to disconnect connections such as the telephone line and electricity. Therefore, the mole hinged lid is less susceptible to failure. The mole is simple to empty. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes. The supporting frame contains 2 balance systems that makes it possible to open and close the hinged lid, including the column, with a slight movement of the hand. It is also possible to provide fully automatic opening, using an electric spindle. To empty the underground container, a 2 or 3 hook and or edge system or a Kinshover system can be used. For the latest collection technique, it is also possible to use the mole K-type. It can be emptied fully automatically using side loading, and it's mostly integrated in the logistics of the public transport. Kliko WTS stands for innovation and development. We aim at arriving at market-oriented solutions for our customers. After all, it takes a tailor-made approach to provide a waste collection system. An example of this tailor-made approach is the OWAT project in Almere. Kliko WTS has developed waste intake points where the waste can be deposited. These intake points serve as the above-ground connection to the ondergronds afvaltransport, OWAT, underground waste transport. The deposited waste is further transported underground through a system of tubes supplied by CentralNet. On the request of the customers, our development department works out the ideas for new applications of the systems. In close collaboration with the customer, an optimum system is created. An example of this is the city mole, which first compresses the waste before it enters the collection container. The city mole can be supplied with or without a column. For years, the experience of Kliko WTS has resulted in quality.